Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to share an album on your iPhone. So if you want to share a photo album with another person, you can do that by going to the Photos app, then selecting the album that you want to share. So it could be pretty much any album. So tap on it, and press on the three dots on the top right. Press share, and then press add to shared album. And here you're going to select what album you want to add this for. So either an existing album or a new album. You can tap on that and press new shared album if you want to create a new one. So the name, I'm just going to name it test album for now. You can name it pretty much anything you want. And then it's going to ask you to add participants. So do that, and you can add them with either through your contacts or through email. So basically contacts. So I'm just going to select a random person and then press the checkmark icon to invite that person. Now press create. Now that person is going to receive an invitation to join the shared album. And now as you can see, this album is already existing, but all you need to do is just wait for that person to accept the shared album. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and be sure to like and subscribe.